Okay, the next thing that I'm going to put is this Metalin thermal liner hyper pack, 4 millimeters the thickness. Actually, I'm not going to put it this time because I still need to make a frame. So basically I first need to make a base where I am going to put or attach the bed, the table. So what I need to do now is to put the floor, and this will go back inside the house. Well, actually I don't have much time today. I'm going to do this first because this one, it doesn't need a wooden frame. I need to cut a little. I already put this, and then I'm going to put this original wall. And I'm using the original screw of this. Okay, that's it for today. I was able to put back the original wall. I am very hungry now, and it is now 11:24. Going to prepare my meal. I'm actually going to have a big meal because last night I didn't eat. Yeah, preparing my coffee. I am going to work now. This is my camper van plan. So there will be a sink, a stove, a shower, a office, a bed, extendable bed. Yeah. And that's the main thing, that's the main idea. And the storage is going to be under the bed, under the sink, under the stove, like that. There will be no overhead storage because I am like that there. Good morning, guys. It is already 6:40, and today I'm going to do the flooring. Yeah, okay, let's go outside. I have my coffee ready, and you know, this one is now very strong, sturdy. Yeah, you cannot remove this by pushing, applying force. Yeah, also very hard already, cannot push by a nail. So it's like minimum 24 hours. So it's like a 1.5 day for me until now. That's why I feel comfortable now to put the floor. But I am not sure if the floor is really good. I am having a little doubt because this is like this. Yeah, kind of plow on it. Yeah, this is cheap because of this bird poo. But the other side it's good. And I'm actually going to just glue it. Yeah, similar to this. No nail. Yeah, because I'm afraid to put some hole. Now I'm going to clean this floor again. So I'm going to put this mark. So in case I need to put some screw, it will touch this one. And not here, but somewhere here. And here. Here also. And this is actually going to be covered by the floor. Also the half of this. It's okay, there is another one here. Looks like it is going to rain. And there is actually a little mist at the moment. If I do the floorings today, it means that I should not drive it because, yeah, to keep the floor on its place. Yeah, because if I drive it to work, it is going to keep on moving, vibrating, and will not be good for the glue. So I changed my mind. I'm not going to do the flooring today. Not today because I don't want to go to work riding the bike under the rain. So what I'm going to do now is to remove this to remove the ceiling and add some of that foil board. The ceiling is the same with the plastic kind of screw. that some are lost thread already, like this one, and it's going to be removed by pulling it like this. And actually I don't know how to switch this up. Oh, this is how it is. And look at this, there is this a lot of electricals. Even more here. And it is raining now. I'm going to put it back once we finish the insulation of the ceiling. So I need to cut this spacer. I need to cut a lot of this. This is the spacer between the foil board and the actual ceiling. This double adhesive tape. It is easier to cut this foil board here in the house than cut it in the car. And I'm also hungry already. I'm going to prepare first my breakfast. Yeah, it will be just 3 eggs. So I just cut this foil, and I'm going to put it up here. Good morning guys, it is now 6 o'clock. Look at that outside, there is still the moon. And today I'm going to continue the installation of this roof ceiling. Yeah, yesterday was really difficult, very hard. I don't know if I can do it today. Okay, hopefully I'll be able to put it. Okay, hold it there in place. Thank you, I made it. Oh, I need something to hold it down here. Oh. Oh, it's now to, oh, it's broken. Oh no, it's just remove. But still good. Yeah, it's really difficult to put it here. Really difficult, mate. I need to find something to hold it while I'm attaching it here. Yeah. Oh, I found a solution. This will be the solution. So I'm basically going to put it here. Yeah. Wrong place, but that actually makes me feel tired, really tired. Okay, recovered. Oh no, it's broken. Okay. Ay, no. Finally, again. thank you. I already did that yesterday, but I need to change it, and it was oh, yeah, I already did that yesterday, but very hard to do it. So I think from here I can relax a little bit. And it's your love since you've been gone. Yeah, the loriket. They are eating nectar of the flower. Okay, let's continue this thing. Tired, really tired. Okay, let's have a coffee first. Okay. Okay, it's in. Amazing. And what I need to do now is to put back the screw. Yeah, this plastic screw. Oh, it's okay. So this is not an easy process. All I need to do is make a hole on that silver thing and then put the screw back. Okay, everything is back in place except this one is broken. I'll try to have a look to this one. Maybe I can fix it by myself. Oh, I just have to put this in place. And now it's totally broken. I lost the bulb. But now I understand how it works. Okay, why is to put it back? Then I'm going to switch on the car. I don't know if it's still going to light up.